If you want an instant shortcut to seeing the full power of Quick Fix 2026 in action, look no further. Nestled right between our prep tools and the main toolkit, you'll find a 30-piece recipe kit. Think of these as pre-mixed master formulas designed to give you complex multi-zone results in a single tap. As we scroll through the collection here, you can see how our team has stacked and balanced the core tools to build these ready-to-go looks. The kit is organized into 3 categories to reflect modern approaches to editing. You get 8 corrective recipes to instantly dial in light and details for specific environments and tough lighting conditions, 14 creative recipes to inject rich mood, airy elevation, or atmospheric drama, and 8 timeless filmic formulas for instant nostalgia or an elegant cinematic finish. But these recipes aren't just simple filters. They contain heaps of individual, single-zone adaptive tools perfectly tuned by our team. For example, a single tap on Clean and Cool instantly deploys and harmonizes 15 distinct AI-localized edits across your image, sculpting your subject's skin, lips, hair, brows, eyes, teeth, clothing, landscape, background, and sky all at once. The kit provides both effortless solutions and an incredible hands-on blueprint to see exactly how to layer and master the toolkit yourself. Instant mastery, complete flexibility, and a built-in guide to advanced multi-zone editing. Tap a recipe to speedrun on-trend looks, elevate your typical preset edit with intelligent dynamics, or get inspired to build your own signature stack. The all-new Quick Fix 2026 is ready to accelerate your workflow.